Good morning, welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of learning educational video channel, Be Inspired. If you want to score full out of full marks in mathematics, just follow Be Inspired. Please share, like, subscribe and comment in my channel. Hi students, welcome to math class. So in today's math class what we are going to learn is by using distributive property a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. So the same method we applied for the previous problems also, and we try to solve the two questions and then we'll go for it. So in the previous class we just completed two questions based on that. So this is the way we just do it. Distributive property a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Without getting late, let's get started. Now 258 into 1008, so we are going to divide 1008, 1000 plus 8, (258) into 1000 plus 258 into 8. So we'll multiply 258 into 8. 8 8s are 64, 8 5s are 40 plus carry 6 46, 8 2s are 16 plus 4 is 20. 25,800 plus 2,064. 4 6 8 7 2. So the answer is 27,864. Sorry, here it is 1000, but we just go through 100. Okay, I'll just erase it and I'll just show you. And now the answer is 2,58,000 plus 2,064. 4 6 0 10 6. The answer is 2,60,064. I'm sorry once again. And now this one 1005, 1000 plus 5 multiplied by 168, 168 into 1000 plus 168 into 5. So 168, and we will just simply add 3 zeros, that is 1,68,000 plus, now we will multiply 168 with 5. 5 8s are 40, 4 carry and 0 down, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 4 34, 5 1s are 5 plus carry 3 is 8. So the answer is 1,68,840. Okay, now we'll move on to the next. Okay, now we have a word problem over here. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost 44 rupees per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? So what he is asking, one taxi driver is there, he has to fill the petrol tank. He did it. Monday he filled with 40 liters, and next day means Tuesday he filled with 50 liters, and 1 liter costs 44 rupees. How much money he has to pay to the person? So what we'll do first, on Monday and Tuesday, first we'll combine how many liters of petrol he is using, and then we'll go for the that addition answer with 44 rupees, because 1 liter, and we have to find out how many liters also. So we will write that number of liters of petrol filled on Monday is equal to 40 liters. The same thing, number of liters of petrol filled on Tuesday. that is 50 liters. Total number of liters of petrol filled is equal to 0 and 9. And now we are going to find out for 90 liters how much amount he has to pay. Cost of 1 liter of petrol is equal to 44 rupees. Cost of 90 liters of petrol is equal to 44 into 90. 9 4s are 36. Again 36 plus 3, 39. So he has to pay 3,960 rupees for the petrol. Now, a vendor supplies 32 liters of milk into a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs 15 rupees per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? So, vendor is nothing but the person who is going to give supplies. So, a person morning he is giving 32 liters and evening he is giving 68 liters. Total how many liters we have to find out, and then that number into 15, like how we did the fifth question. The same procedure, no change in that. And fifth question we have petrol, and this question is about milk. That is the only change. We will write steps for this. Number of liters of milk supplied in the morning is equal to 32 liters. Number of liters of milk supplied in the evening is equal to 68 liters. Total number of liters of milk supplied for one day is equal to 10, 3 plus 6, 9, and carry 1, 10. Cost of 1 liter of milk is equal to 15 rupees. Cost of 100 liters of milk is equal to 15 into 100 is equal to 1,500. Means for one day the hotel people has to give 1,500 rupees. Means he is a due of rupees 1,500. Now move on to the last question of this exercise. So what is the question? Match the following. 425 into 136 is equal to 425 into 6 plus 30 plus 100. And 2 into 49 into 50 can be written as 2 into 50 into 49. 80 plus 2005 plus 20 is equal to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. So this 3 will come under which property? So he given 3 properties, that is commutativity under multiplication, commutativity under addition, distributive of multiplication over addition. Of course we all know that the first one belongs to distributive property. And this one will be for, yes, commutativity under multiplication. Of course by seeing the symbol you can say easily. And the leftover is commutativity under addition. So by this we completed exercise 2.2 successfully, and we'll meet you tomorrow. To prevent coronavirus, wash your hands thoroughly. While coming out, cover your face and come. Just clean each and everything. Cook thoroughly. Don't touch your eyes, nose and mouth, and try to avoid crowded places. Thank you, Corona Warriors. Thank you so much for your help, support. Thank you for watching.